Hi, I'm Leko, a fine furniture maker and custom woodworker. In the summer of 2017, I received a Get Ready grant from the Craft Emergency Relief Fund, CERF Plus, specifically to begin the process of legacy planning. I learned several things. First, you don't have to reinvent the Hydrox cookie. References such as those from the Joan Mitchell Foundation and CERF Plus already exist to guide you. It's not a one-shot deal. You don't have to get it 100% right on your first try. It can be iterative. Third, it's not just about writing a will. Done properly, an actionable plan will help to ensure the future value of your artwork by specifically identifying the pieces and even where they currently reside. Example, if you have gallery representation, what happens to the pieces in the gallery once you're gone? Can they put them on sale to liquidate them? A move like that is likely to depress their value, and thus by extension all of your other creations. You need to specify this in the gallery agreement. It also helps to identify valuable items other than your artwork: tools, materials, documents, and records. For those that are cleaning up after you, this makes things easier on family or friends that are saddled with this task. If you can't be present physically to guide them, your plan will help provide insight during this time. The Get Ready grant was helpful in a number of ways. It provided the funds necessary to hire professional assistants, aka an attorney. Extra points if you can find a lawyer that's familiar with the arts and your genre in particular. In my case, she helped me devise mechanisms to donate tools and materials to a school and dispose of the other items in my studio. Unless you own your own space, keeping a studio requires someone paying the lease. The quicker this proceeds, the less expensive and stressful it is for everyone. It put me on a deadline. I could not procrastinate. Not only do you need to address the task within 6 months, but you have to publicize what you're doing. It also exposed me to estate planning resources, as I said, the Joan Mitchell guides and the CERF Plus guide. There are probably others. Although I've made a lot of progress, there's always more to go. I still need to update my documents to account for the studio's present status. Remember that procrastination thing? The Crafting Your Legacy publication was released subsequent to my receiving the grant and after reporting requirements were completed. So I need to go back and compare my existing documents with the information in that booklet and make adjustments appropriately. If you don't have a legacy plan in place, now is the perfect time to do it. CERF's Get Ready grants and resources are a great way to get started. I'm grateful to CERF Plus for their support through the entire process.